Hey everybody, Chuck Wick here. I'm with Levi Dexter, lead product engineer here at Baldwin Filters. Today we're going to talk a little bit about some upgrades we've done to our CA5790. You've been using this filter for years on your Freightliner and trucks. This has been changed to an EnduraCube style of filter. Levi, tell us a little bit why we've done these upgrades.
You bet. We've added some plastic handles. This helps for the installation and uninstallation of the filter. We've also added some robust plastic end caps with our trademark logo on the side. These end caps fit nicely into the housing to help provide support for the filter during the service life. We've also added an outlet grate that goes around and encapsulates the whole filter. This will protect the filter during installation and while shipping. We've also added, you'll see some of these little ribs on the side, and that was to help it slide into some of those housings, those difficult applications.
So we've done some upgrades to the durability of the product. We've added some features for ease of install. Now let's get to the performance. I see that the media pack is clearly different. Can you describe to us what exactly has changed there?
So our efficiency and our overall capacity has stayed the same, but we were able to help drop some of that initial restriction.
So, same great performance as far as service interval and engine protection with efficiency. You've added lower initial restriction, which basically gives your truck better overall engine performance. So those are some great additions to this product. Why don't you say we go out and we install this on a truck? Hey everybody, here we are at our 2014 Freightliner Cascadia. This particular truck has a Detroit diesel 15-liter engine, and it uses the Baldwin filter CA5790. We're going to do a real quick install video for you to show you how we like to change these out. So first, I'm going to use this nice long Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to turn around, get up here on these mounting screws. They're out on the front side of the housing. We'll loosen the top, get to the bottom one. Get that out. I'm going to set my screwdriver aside. I'm going to take this lid. I'm going to pull it out, then towards the cab of the truck, and it comes right out of there. We're going to grab the CA5790 that's already in the housing by these two handles on either side of the inlet face. Give it a good tug. It unseats the gasket, slides right out. We're going to set it down, and we're going to use this opportunity to take a quick look at the housing and make sure there's no debris, dust, check for any leaks that we may have had. This housing looks real clean. We'll wipe it out, and we should be ready for the new filter. So like we said, we're going to take a quick moment here to say new handles, new robust end caps, and protective grate on this updated design. Same great performance, just a little different look. We're going to take this filter, start with one corner, slide it in the back like so, get the other end cap started. And there's a gasket trough that you can see in here. We're going to make sure that our gasket locates really well into that trough all the way around the filter. And that slides in, locks into place real nice. All we have to do now, take our lid, line up the alignment tabs on the back side of the housing, make sure we're in, roll this lid in, make sure it's compressing the gasket all the way around. That looks good. Take our screwdriver. We'll get a bolt started, and we're going to tighten this down about halfway. We'll go to the bottom bolt. We will tighten it, and as we're tightening, we're going to be watching here to make sure that the lid is compressing the gasket and make sure everything's going together like it should. If you have problems, if it feels like it's binding up, stop, take your time, go back and look and see where your hang up is. But these install real nice. Shouldn't have any problems. Go back, finish tightening your top bolt. And there it is. Everything looks good. You're ready for another service cycle. So that was the install of a Baldwin Filters CA5790.